In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Ytel to SMS Lead Network. So what you want to do is go to Ytel and then click on Login, and you want to click the one that says API Login. And once you're on this page, you just want to enter your email address and password that you used when you joined. And here is where you will actually see your Ytel dashboard. So you want to keep this window open and also log in to your SMS Lead Network account. So in a new tab, you can go between the two tabs here, and once you have the new tab open, you just want to click on text/phone broadcast and then click on SMS numbers/accounts. And here you want to have this page open, and we're actually going to use this area right here where it says buy a new number. Now with Ytel, it's a little different. Um, you normally can type a area code in here and it will actually make the purchase for you, but we're going to do one thing a little different compared to the other option, and which is you're going to log into your Ytel area, go back to that tab, and put your mouse on numbers and click on buy a number. Now you're actually not going to purchase the number back here. You just actually coming to this page to see a list of numbers that are actually available. So they have, I guess, several thousand available, but they're actually, I guess, and you want to basically just pick one that they have available. So you just want to come right here. The number really doesn't matter. So you can pretty much just pick one. So this one's 307. I'm going to go with that one. Then I'm going to go back over here and type in 307. Once I type in 307, I'm just going to click anywhere over here, and you'll see the drop down menu will come up. And where it says company, you're going to switch that to Ytel, and then you're just going to plug in the two codes here, the account SID and then the authorization token. You can actually get that information back here in the back office of Ytel. So now that we have that first number ready, we're just going to click back on the dashboard, and you'll see your account SID right here. So you want to copy that. Make sure you don't have any space in front or back when you copy or when you highlight it. So I'm going to copy the first one, paste it right in the box here. Then I'm going to go back, copy the authorization token, and paste it right there. So now that that's there, just going to click buy. And it adds it right to the system. And as you can see, it's automatically set the number to 200 texts per day. So if you actually run a campaign right now, which it's 3:25, so you would have to wait until tomorrow at 3:25 before this number will allow you to send another 200. So keep that in mind whenever you're sending a campaign, that it was 24 hours from your last time the message was sent. Okay, so now that you have the one number, you want to do the same thing and add several more numbers, because this would only allow you to send 200 messages per day. So if you want to send 1,000 texts per day, you need at least 5 numbers. If you want to send 2,000 texts a day, you need 10 numbers. If you want to send more, just basically just increase your numbers for every 5, or basically for every 1,000 you want to text, you need at least 5 numbers. So I have the one loaded there, Now we're going to go back here and go back to the top. You're actually done with this area, so now that you have that in place, you can go back to where it says buy a number, and then just continue here with the list of numbers, and then just pick area code. So this one's 559. I'm going to go with that, type it over here, click over here, and then you see the drop down. Again, here select Ytel, and these are already plugged in. They should be already saved in, so then you just click buy, and it's going to add that account to the menu. So I'm going to repeat that process. 662, click anywhere over here, select Ytel, click buy, and it adds it to the list. And I'm going to go with 740, click over here, select Ytel, click buy, and that's 4, and I'm going to do one more. So I'm going to do 709. Click here, select Ytel, click buy, and that's the 5 numbers. So again, if you're trying to do at least 1,000 a day, we suggest 5 numbers, and you can actually increase these numbers. 200 is suggested per day. You can actually go a little faster if you wanted to. I would say no higher than 400, but to be safe, I'm going to go with 300. So to change that, you just click right on the number and change the amount right there. Click save, and do that for all of your numbers. If you want to go a little faster, just click the number, change the amount here, click save, and do it for the last number here also. So that's how you add your numbers, and of course that's how you increase the speed there also.